rain. This is insane. This is Lake Linden, Tamarack City. Ripley, Houghton, Hancock. All over. This is what happened. This is from the rain that we got. This is insane. This is absolutely freaking crazy. I cannot believe this.
Launched out right here too. And who knows what'll happen if you drive over it and then it decides to like buckle again, especially with that.
This town's destroyed, dude. This is gonna take years for them to rebuild.
Insurance.
Flood insurance doesn't work. Flood insurance is hard to get.
Feel sorry for them.
Looking towards Ridge Road right now. This is a giant sinkhole here. Let me show you some of this washout.